Hello, it's TechTrailblazer. As in previous video, we learn how to write Python code to find the GCD of two number. In this video we are going to continue the same series by writing Python code to find whether the given number is odd or even. So, let's begin this session without wasting our time and going directly to the VS Code window. Click on New File and then click on Python File. A new window would appear. So going further with our project. To find whether the given number is odd or even by using Python code. There are many ways to find whether the given number is odd or even by using Python code. We would select any of them. So we are going to write Python code to find the number is whether odd or even. Let's us get the input from the user. As in previous last two video we have seen how to get the input for the user. We are going to follow the same step. By assigning a variable to the input. Here I am going to take it as num. In order to get the input we just need to type num equal to int input, enter the number. In this program we are going to use if condition. If condition is nothing but just used for conditional execution of code based on a specified condition. If is not a loop but a control structure that allows you to execute a block of code if a certain condition is met. To insert if condition we just need to type if and then the code. In this program we need to type if num% to equal to 0. Print the given number is even. And is in Python we call if condition we need to ever write else or elif along with it and this program else contain be odd. And to write else condition in this program we need to type else print the given number is odd. Enter the following input required to run the program and then you are going to get the output. For me it's odd. Here I am going to end this video. So stay tuned.